Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 25 RRT. This camper comes in at 30 feet 10 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 5,600 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime when you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have this hard shell cover with a quick access lid. Diamond plate rock guard. There's a red key down below. It's a 12-volt cutoff switch, so you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery when the camper is not in use. We have your curved radius front end here. Front storage compartment with the magnetic door latch, which is very handy. Nice large storage compartment here. We got the built-in LED light as well. Underneath up front, there's an LP quick disconnect, so if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that with you and tap right into it. We have a 15-foot power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Sturdy steps going inside with each leg is adjustable, so if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle to help you in and out. Full-size black tempered glass door. It has an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Outside speakers that light up blue, along with your entertainment center. This TV bracket is the same bracket we use on the inside, so you can simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in, and we have your cable and 110 outlets right over here. Up top, we have a fume vent. There will be two on the camper, so if you're hauling anything with gasoline or fumes, you can open those up and air it out as you're traveling down the road. We have the adventure package on board, so you have the off-road tires. You'll notice the center cap is popped off. These are the quick, easy lube axles. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll just unscrew that to demonstrate. And that way you could just do a walk around before you head off for your next destination. In the back here, we have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along as well. A cool part of the toy hauler is we have the ramp door patio system. So you get this gate, the screen that goes all the way across here, turning this into a patio. You simply release the cables and it will drop down, allowing you to load up your toys as well. At the very top, you'll notice we have a nice bright LED light and the backup camera is included. Just inside the door, we have your moonshade. That is going to be a canopy that will cover the back patio here to get you some shade from the sun. Here is that other fume vent that we were talking about. This camper is also equipped with electric jacks. The switch is right here for the rear. There's going to be a switch up front for the front jacks as well. How that works, you simply hold extend. One leg will come down and hit the ground. The other one will come down and then equal out in pressure. As we make our way forward, we have your furnace vent. This is a 30 amp unit and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, hook your water hose up here and that'll clean out the black tank for you. Hot and cold water with a coil hose sprayer for your outside shower. Your water fill is right beneath it. We have the left side is your fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. On the right is your city water. So if you're at a campground, hook your water hose up and that'll pressurize the lines for you. We have a cable connection here. So if the campground offers that, this is the inlet to tap into that. Nice bright LED light by your connections and dump station. Dump station's down below with the gray handle for your gray tank and the black handle for your black tank. We have another switch for your front jacks. And last but not least, we have your on-demand tankless water heater. So it's gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 25 RRT. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, this is going to have a hallway to the bedroom on the right-hand side, and the bathroom is right in the middle. We have your kitchen over here. Nice large garage area with the booth dinette. You'll notice a couple really large windows on this wall. And then we're going to go ahead and get started just inside. Up top, we have your fume vent. And then next up is going to be the controls for your speakers. It is a Bluetooth system. You can sync your phone to it and control your inside and outside speakers or zone 1, zone 2, and play music from your favorite apps such as Pandora or YouTube. Your main control panel to see how full the tanks are, turn your water pump on. Your 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks are also included for cold weather camping. A couple light switches and your awning in and out. USB and 110 outlet right below. Again, with the nice large windows, you'll notice another 110 outlet right in between the windows there. Down below we have this portable ottoman, very quick and easy to set up and take down as well, but it will offer some great storage, especially for some throw blankets in there. Another thing Grey Wolf does really well is the tie downs. You'll notice that they come all the way up. When we turn around here in a second, we're going to have another pair right up against the wall here. Nice large booth, dinette area. This will turn into another sleeping area. That table will lay flat on the two wooden stiles, and the cushions will push together and turn into a sleeping area. You'll notice the AC is ducted all the way through. We have a couple interior speakers with the blue LED accent lights there. We have a screen wall that will roll down to help keep the bugs out and the air in. And the patio system does a great job just opening up the entire camper and allowing a lot of sunlight and fresh air. Overhead cabinets over here with the doors on them. And a window in that bottom corner underneath the moonshade is your other fume vent. Moving into the kitchen, we have cabinets up top with the glass fronts, giving it a nice home feeling there. They also add extra LED lights in the kitchen, as you can see. Really brightens everything up here. We have your range vent, which will vent to the outside. Nice large kitchen window. You get two 110 outlets to the left of the window there. Nice counter space. With the sink, we have the high-rise faucet. That also includes the pull-out sprayer. We have a cup rinsing station over here on the left-hand side. You simply turn your cup upside down, push down on it, and that will rinse your cup out for you. Here is the drying rack and also a cutting board, which is both included. And we have the nice large farmhouse-style kitchen sink. On the left-hand side, we get these two drawers. The bottom one is going to have a trash can already integrated and built in with it there. And then we have additional storage down below the sink. Moving on, we have your furnace. Right up above that is the microwave, which is also an air fryer, and a convection oven all in one. 3-burner stove top with the glass cover, so you can also utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. And then here's a look at those tie-down brackets. As you can see, they go all the way up here. Underneath the fridge, we have your converter and CO detector. And then we have your 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. It is 12-volt only, which is also why we have the 200 watts of solar already mounted up top to help run this as you are traveling down the road. The 12-volt refrigerator is much more efficient than the gas electric, and it cools down in a fraction of the time. Next up, we have your shoe garage down below. Right inside the entrance door, you can kick your shoes off and tuck them underneath there. Storage compartments, and along with your entertainment center. We have your TV bracket and connections up top there. Now we'll make our way into the hallway where we have your digital thermostat. That will control your air conditioner and furnace, just like at your home, allowing those to cycle on and off. Now moving into the bathroom area, you'll notice right away the toilet at an angle, giving you plenty of room all the way around. There is another door into the bedroom here as well. We have the nice large sink with storage underneath. Right up above that is a 110 outlet, a light switch, and another digital thermostat. That is for your on-demand tankless water heater. So you can turn that on and off and control the temperature of the water. Medicine cabinet. Again, the AC is ducted all the way through. And we also get this nice large multi-speed vent fan in the bathroom. Above the shower, we get a skylight. This camper is equipped with a corner shower. Corner showers are great, giving you plenty of room on the inside and preventing you from fighting with the shower curtain as well. We have a couple additional storage cabinets over here, just to the left of the shower. We'll open those up and take a look. Perfect for linens in here. And now we'll make our way to the bedroom. As we step out in the hallway, we get this nice large window in the hallway as well. And now we'll move into the bedroom. Right away inside, you'll notice another nice large window over here. And we have a couple storage containers sitting up top there. Those slide underneath. You have 2 on the left-hand side and 2 on the right-hand side. They slide in and out very easily for quick access and easy storage there. The comforter is included as well. We have your overhead cabinets with the door, so you can utilize that as storage as you're traveling down the road. In front of this window over here, we have this 110 outlet that looks a little bit different. It has a built-in inverter. That way, if you are traveling down the road and you pull over to a truck stop, you can turn that on and have 110 power there, even if you are not plugged in. And this little side compartment will slide open for quick, easy storage as well. And then you have a built-in nightstand just underneath that. On the other side of the bed, we have this cubby hole back there. There's a couple shelves, and there is a 110 and 12-volt charge port back there. Hanging storage on this side, and another window, so you have windows on both sides of the bed. And then last but not least, there is also another TV bracket in here with the connections up top, so you can very easily add a TV in the bedroom. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25 RRT. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.